Hey everybody, Andy Stickel here. Now listen, I'm going to teach you something that is extremely effective, and it's the absolute easiest way for you to pump out really high quality videos without a lot of time, and it's a very easy to follow script. So I want to share this with you today. It's called the Who, What, Why script. And basically, there's three elements. There's who are you, what are you talking about, and why should your viewer care? And it's extremely simple. If you follow that strategy, and if you follow that format, then it will make a whole lot of sense. It makes creating videos very easy. So the way it works basically is starting with the who is really you just need to kind of introduce yourself. Most people know who you are. You can, go into your credibility a little bit, but it doesn't have to be long. For me, I would say, hey guys, it's Andy Stickel. I'm a law firm marketing expert. Now listen, I want to talk to you about something. So basically, as you can see, I made that quick transition. I didn't get on myself very much because most people don't care about who you are, but you need a little bit of credibility. So, hey, my name is John Smith. I'm a personal injury attorney in Louisiana. Now listen, I want to tell you about something. You see how I did that, how I just kind of jumped over to the next thing. Now, the what. The what is basically what are you going to tell them about? So for me, I would say, I'm going to teach you about a script that is very easy to follow. It only has three parts. The three parts are who, what, and why. And it will absolutely change the way that you make videos because it's so easy. So basically, and then you can kind of go into the teaching, kind of like I'm doing now. So basically, I'm making a who, what, why video about who, what, why videos. So basically, once you get into the what, that's when you kind of give the basic information that the person needs to talk about. So you could say, my name is John Smith, and I want to talk to you about something called diminished value. Now, diminished value, most people don't know this, but when you get into a car accident, there's a significant amount of value to your car that is lost just because of the fact that that vehicle that accident shows up on the Carfax report, on the vehicle history report. So there's something called diminished value, and basically what that is so let's say you have a 2010 Mustang and you're selling it for $10,000, and there's a similar 2010 Mustang that's also for sale for $10,000. But the difference is that when you pull a Carfax report on your Mustang versus the other Mustang hasn't been in an accident and yours has. Everything else on the cars is identical except for the accident. So what that means is that any reasonable buyer is going to buy the other Mustang for the same price. So what you need to do is you need to drop your price. So you need to drop it maybe $1,000, maybe $2,000. That $1,000 to $2,000 that you have dropped your price, that's called diminished value. And you can claim that with the car insurance company of the person that hit you. So you see what I'm doing there. Basically, I'm giving kind of my information about what am I talking about. So now the why is why they should actually care about this. So now if we're going back to the diminished value example, why should you care about this? You should care about this because when you go to sell your car, you should understand that you're probably going to have to lower the cost of the price of your car just because of the fact that it's been to a car accident. So how do you counter that now? Well, what you need to do is you need to go to the insurance company of the person that hit you and tell them that you would like to file a claim for diminished value. And then there's a whole, then you can kind of go into the whole process of what goes into that. But basically, it's an extremely easy strategy. Now you can see I've transitioned into the why for this particular video. The reason that lawyers want to do this and why this is important is because lawyers don't have an hour to do videos every single day. You've only got a couple minutes. I only have 5 to 10 minutes every single day to do my videos. So I've got to follow a very simple, and predictable format. So that's why I do the who, what, why. It's who are you? What are you going to talk about, and why should they care? So basically, using this strategy, you can crank out videos really quickly. It's organized. It allows you, and I've kind of been a little scatterbrained in this video, to be honest, but it just shows you can still get the point across in just a couple minutes. This video is less than 5 minutes right now, and I've kind of created an entire video that provides this actual script. So again, who are you? What are you going to talk about? Why should the viewers care? Hope that helps, guys. Talk to you soon.